my question would be, how often do we train that kind of pass? Never. Not with Absicht heißt es in Deutsch. Not by purpose, you know. It's when we are training that situation, it will often just be in a game situation in training that we are doing it. But how can we create training sessions where we working on different passes in different situations? And I really see so many youth training still. They are just pass training with away from these training dolls and two and two together, just focusing on high arm and so many passes that we only use in the game when we are staying in 15 meters distance before we actually start playing. But the pass types that we are using into the game, we almost never train them. So we have to put in more focus on how we can train those skills because they are so important now that we are playing so much more one against one close to the defense that we were doing 15 years ago.